What's up, everyone? If you're wondering what's actually going to move the needle in crypto over the next 18 months, you're in the right place. We've all seen cycles come and go, but 2026 to 2027 isn't just about hype, it's about real adoption, big money moving in, and technologies that are finally ready to explode. Today I'm breaking down the 3 biggest trends that will dominate, grow massively, and create the biggest opportunities before the end of next year. These aren't just guesses, in the beast spankraubas to stavern founder, and now when dit statben. Pam prouder. By Mao Raum in Stowminster. Institutional reports, adoption numbers, and what the entire industry is building toward. Let's dive in. First, and biggest by far, real-world asset tokenization. This is the trend every bank, fund, and financial giant is talking about right now, and it's going mainstream in 2026. Simply put, it means turning real things, real estate, stocks, bonds, gold, commodities, even art, digital tokens on the blockchain. Suddenly you can own a tiny fraction of a $10 million building or trade government bonds 24/7, instantly, anywhere in the world. Why it explodes now? Regulation is finally getting clearer. Big players like BlackRock, JP Morgan, and Ripple are building it, and forecasts say this market could hit $19 trillion by 2033. Yes, trillion with a T. By late 2026, we'll see live products you can actually use. Top projects to watch: Ethereum, Solana, Polygon, and protocols like Ondo, BlackRock's BUIDL, and Chainlink, because they power the data and connections that make this work. This isn't speculation. This is crypto meeting traditional finance. And it's the biggest shift since Bitcoin itself. Second huge trend, AI and blockchain integration, but not the AI coin hype you saw before. This time it's real infrastructure. Right now, AI needs secure, transparent, and automated ways to move value, verify data, and transact. Blockchain is exactly that layer. In 2026-2020 online wunsiber body derestano and bein senvande in piritsam. We won't just have AI projects, we'll have AI agents that trade, invest, lend, and manage assets automatically, all on-chain. Imagine an AI portfolio manager that rebalances your investments instantly, complies with rules, and settles everything automatically. Or AI tools that verify real-world data and execute trades instantly. This will change how finance works forever, and crypto is the only place it can happen safely. This trend picks up speed fast because every big tech and finance firm is racing to build here. It's not just a crypto trend, it's the future of how value moves. Key names: Fetch.ai, Render, Chainlink, and platforms building AI-ready blockchains like Solana and Sui. Third trend, institutional-grade infrastructure. For years, big money stayed away because crypto was too risky, messy, or unregulated. That is completely changing in 2026. We now have spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs, clear tax rules in major countries, regulated stablecoins, and safe ways for banks and funds to enter the space. What's exploding next? Regulated stablecoins becoming global payment tools, hybrid platforms, combining the speed of DeFi with the safety and compliance of traditional finance. Better wallets, custody, and security that anyone can use safely. This means hundreds of billions in new capital coming in, and that lifts the whole market. It's not just about prices going up, it's about crypto becoming a normal part of the global financial system. Key areas: stablecoins, USDC, USDT, EU-regulated ones, compliant DeFi, and Layer 2s that are fast, cheap, and safe. So, to recap, RWA tokenization, trillions moving on-chain, everything becomes investable AI plus blockchain, automated, intelligent finance, totally new use cases, institutional infrastructure, trust, regulation, and massive new money entering. These aren't short-term fads. These are the trends that will define the next 5-10 years. If you want to be ahead, focus here, not just on hype coins. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, it really helps me know what you want more of. Share this video with anyone who wants to know where crypto is going, and make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. I'll be breaking down exactly how to invest in these trends, what to buy, and what to avoid every single week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.